Boom! In under 15 minutes today, we're going to make a great steak sandwich with striploin steak, sauteed onions, mushrooms, hot peppers, garlic, and cheese. Let's start out by slicing our vegetables. I'm starting here with mushrooms. I had some left over in the fridge that were already chopped, so I'm just adding a few more in. Next, we're moving on to this tiny little jalapeno. I like to start by chopping off the ends, then using a spoon to score the middle and take out all the seeds. I'm then going to dice it into little tiny pieces. Take your time, be careful, and most importantly, have fun in your kitchen. Cooking should be fun and enjoyable. I really like onions with my steak, so I have one medium-sized yellow onion, which I'm slicing up, and I'm going to saute with my mushrooms, my hot peppers, and some shredded garlic. Here I'm using one fairly good sized clove of garlic and a little tiny guy, and you can see that I'm grating it directly into the onions, as I find by doing this it liquefies in the oil a little bit faster. Salt, peppercorns. Your cast iron pan has to be hot. Be sure to always lay your protein away from you to minimize splashing and potential burns. Hey Google, set a timer 60 seconds.
All right, 1 minute.
Hey Google, set a timer 45 seconds.
Okay, 45 seconds. And that's starting now.
Hey Google, cancel the timer. Let's use our same cast iron pan and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We'll start by adding in our chopped onions, garlic, mushrooms, and hot peppers. Once our vegetables are properly sauteed, we'll go ahead and add in our grated mozzarella cheese. Now we'll lightly butter our bun, place it face down with some mozzarella cheese, and make it toasty. I like to let my steaks rest anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes once they've been removed from the heat, before proceeding to slice them. Assembly is always fun. I start by adding some of my sauteed vegetables and cheese. I add 1 layer of steak and then a few more vegetables right on top. I do have a great recipe for garlic mayo. If you'd like to add that on here as your sauce, feel free, go right ahead. But I believe this sandwich has some great flavor without. Run out some more peppers, mushrooms, and onions in there. Fold this bad boy up. Striploin steak, peppercorn, onions, mushroom, some hot peppers, a little bit of cheese. Boom. Uncle Drew's got one for you. This is delicious. Oh yeah. This one is phenomenal. Wow. 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 Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. That's right down there. Go ahead. This is the one for you. Give it a go. Boom. Oh yeah. Boom.